If you're seeing a CapCut green screen error or your background just isn't removing properly, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the CapCut green screen issue step by step, so you can remove the green background cleanly and get your edit looking professional again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your green screen clip is already placed in the timeline. This is important because the Chroma Key settings only work once the clip is selected. Click on the green screen clip directly so it becomes highlighted. Once it's selected, look at the toolbar and open the video options. From there, go to Remove BG and then choose Chroma Key. This is the tool CapCut uses to remove a solid background color like green. Now here's the part where a lot of people run into trouble. When you use the color picker, don't just click any area of the green background. You need to click the green screen carefully and make sure you're selecting the correct shade. If you pick the wrong shade, even slightly, CapCut may not remove the background properly, or you may end up with patches of green still showing around the subject. So take your time here and click the green area again if needed until the key starts working correctly. After that, you'll want to adjust the strength or intensity setting. This controls how aggressively CapCut removes the green color. If the setting is too low, some green will remain visible. If it's too high, parts of your subject may start to disappear or look cut out. The goal is to move the slider slowly until the green background disappears cleanly while keeping your subject sharp and visible. Usually, small adjustments make the biggest difference. If you still see a green edge around the subject, go back and fine-tune the color selection once more. Sometimes the issue is not the strength itself, but the exact shade of green that was picked. By carefully reselecting the background and then readjusting the intensity, you can usually fix the error in just a few seconds. This is one of the most effective ways to solve CapCut green screen problems without needing any extra tools. And that's it. Once the green background is removed properly, your clip should blend much better into your new scene or background. This simple fix works for most CapCut green screen errors and gives you much cleaner results. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy CapCut tutorials and editing fixes.